A powerful compressor will always supply essential airflow and pressure to run any type of paint spray gun, as well as other air-powered tools. If you can choose the right toolset, compressor and paint sprayer, then your painting work will be easier. Suitable compressors compatible with most paint sprayers are rarely found. So, we have created this guide to help you find the most versatile and powerful air compressor. There are many products available to choose from. Best air compressor for spray painting, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did quality research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best air compressor for spray painting from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. The Vivohome Professional Airbrushing Paint System. If you want a top-notch paint compressor, the Vivohome Professional might be a good choice. It is well equipped with 2 airbrushes. Frankly speaking, the features make the compressor different from others. Due to the dual airbrush works on a wide range of surfaces like fabrics, leather, plastic, wood, and many more. The airbrushing compressor is designed with the classic piston framework. Due to the design, the compressor provides steady and sufficient air pressure to maintain stable output. This airbrushing compressor is compatible with everything from commercial art to retouches. Possibly that's why the hobbyist and airbrushing artists chose this tool for their projects. Benefits: lightweight and compact design. Adjustable to almost everywhere. Simple and precise to set up. Offers fabulous support. Super quiet. Drawbacks: mightn't even get brushing from 3. Number 2. Master Airbrush Cool Runner. If you're a commercial artist looking for an airbrush air compressor, blindly choose the Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2. The Cool Runner 2 is a professional master brush used for multiple professional purposes, including 2 cooling fans. The compressor has a 1/5 HP single piston compressor. The horsepower allows the compressor to the airbrush without interruption. The cooling fans enable the compressors to run continuously without overheating. The plus point about the compressor is the returnability of the airbrushes. You can return the airbrushes, return them anything within the next 5 years. Unfortunately, the compressor becomes uncontrollable when it goes below 20 psi. So, you cannot use the compressor for anything that needs lower psi than 20. Benefits: beginner friendliness. Multi-purpose professional airbrushing system. Controllable loudness and heat. Delivers precise air pressure. Easy installation. Drawbacks: becomes uncontrollable below 20 psi. The book should get upgraded. Number 3. One vertical air compressor for paint sprayer. With the title of the compressor, you might assume how it works. The 110-gallon oil-free compressor doesn't require lubrication to operate. Hence, there's no need for additional maintenance. It is a vertical-style compressor. So, if you have limited space in your house, this spray paint compressor can stand steadily. It comes with a rubber handle and 7-inch no-flat wheels. Accordingly, compressor transport becomes straightforward for users. The One Compressor paint sprayer features an extended warranty. If anything happens, always remember the One technicians for free servicing. The price of the product is reasonable considering the features. So if you are looking for a compressor for paintwork and to perform other work with it, this would be an ideal option. Benefits: quick, easy to maintain, oil-free compressor. Convenient transportability. Safe and reliable compressing. Number 4. Splody Airbrush Kit Motor Corded Airbrushes. The brand Splody has been producing airbrushing kits for more than 10 years. The Splody Airbrush Kit is a top-ranked product that offers a prolonged service life. Unexceptionally, the spray paint compressor features a dual-action gun. The paint application becomes faster and more precise when using both of these. It features a spray gun with adjustable triggers like the handy air gun. Consequently, you can easily regulate and control the air pressure according to your needs. Getting warmer becomes common for the air compressor after operating for a long and continuous working time. Nevertheless, the 3 air cooling fans control the temperature of the compressor. Here we need to mention that one air cooling fan is more significant and others are more diminutive. Benefits: responsive dual action. Requires lower maintenance. Quieter and efficient application. Prevents overheating. Drawbacks: long hair hose might disrupt airflow. Average airbrush. Number 5. Industrial Air Contractor Portable Pontoon. Here's another oil-less air compressor well fitted for industrial purposes, the Portable Pontoon. This is a powerful optimization tool with 5 horsepower and 155 psi air pressure. These features provide a smoother engine performance without consuming too much fuel. Frankly speaking, the 155 psi air pressure promotes the maximum performance of the air tool. Another plus point of the power tool is its cooling system. It features an extreme cooling system with a patented pump design. Consequently, the temperatures of the pumps minimize and become a long-lasting tool. However, the high-performing air tool applies to multiple projects, including cleaning, blowing, brushing, painting, nailing, and many more. Benefits: it starts quickly, even in the cold. Regulates the pressure perfectly. Easy to bend and maneuver. Optimum tool performance. Drawbacks. Limited air holding capacity. Odd runner. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.